Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am fine. Welcome to our online class. I am Nirmal Rai, vocational trade instructor, Bangalali Pilot School and College, Hakimpur, Dinajpur. So I am going to discuss about voice. We already know about voice in class 8. We know there are two types of voice. One is active and other is passive. Now, an example of active voice. I am reading a book. How can we change this voice active to passive? So, we know at first some rules for changing voice. Number one, the object will be a subject. Number two, the auxiliary verb sits according to the tense and subject. Number three, the verb is always past participle form. Number four, preposition. Preposition by, with, the, etc. Number five, the subject will be an object. Dear students, I hope you understand these rules. Now, look at the change. Active voice, passive voice. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them. Dear students, we know that there is I in active voice, then there is me in passive voice. There is we in active voice, there is us in passive voice. There is you in active voice, there is you in passive voice. There is he in active voice. There is him in passive voice. There is she in active voice. There is her in passive voice. There is they in active voice. There is them in passive voice. Now we will know the rules of using auxiliary verb. The tense and subject. Dear students, use for using auxiliary verb according to the tense and subject. Number 1, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite. Am is are. Present continuous. Am being, is being, are being. Number 3, present perfect. Have been, has been. Past indefinite, was, were. Past continuous, was being, were being. Past perfect, had been. Future indefinite, will be, shall be. Future continuous, will be, being, shall be, being. Dear students, I hope you understand the rules. Now we do the example. I am reading a book. This is present continuous tense and object a book. A book. So the passive voice tense. So the passive voice subject a book. Auxiliary verb, we know the auxiliary verb sits according to the tense and person. So this is present indefinite tense and a book third person singular number. So we can use is, being. Verb is always past participle form. So read preposition by and the subject will be an object me. I do the sum. This is present indefinite tense and the object the sum. So the passive voice subject. So the passive voice subject the sum, and the sum is third person singular number in passive voice. So we can use auxiliary verb used. Verb always past person form, done preposition by, and the subject will be an object me. They have played a ball. Dear students, can you tell me what is the name of the passive voice active voice tense? Yes, this is present perfect tense, and here a ball is object. So passive voice subject will be a ball. And a ball, third person singular number, so we can use the auxiliary verb has been. Verb played, preposition by, and the subject will be an object them. One more example. He did the work. He did the work. Dear students, this is past indefinite tense, and here the object a book. So passive voice subject the book. The book is third person singular number, and we can use auxiliary verb use the was. Verb is always past participle form, done by him. They were flying a kite. This is past continuous tense, and here the object a kite. So passive voice subject a kite. A kite is third person singular number, so we can use auxiliary verb was being. Verb always past participle form, flown by. They, the subject will be an object, so them. You had done the work. You had done the work. This is past perfect tense, and here the object the work. So passive voice subject the is third person singular number, so we can use auxiliary verb had been. Had been. Verb done, preposition by, and the subject will be an object you. So dear students, I hope you understand this discussion. And so far today, see you in the next class. Stay well until then, and stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.